Today we are starting converting fractions to percent and decimals to percent. So like suppose if this is a fraction, okay, so how will you convert it into a percentage? Now suppose this is a decimal, so how will you convert into percentage? Now percentage means per 100, yes, so percentage is per 100. Got it? So that means we simply multiply by 100 to the numerator and the denominator, or you can also say 100%. Multiply by 100%. Okay, 100% means 100 per 100. That is 100 upon 100. Okay, so either you can say multiply by 100% or multiply by 100 by 100. Here also either multiply by 100% or multiply by 100 by 100. So here, going ahead, 5 and 100 can get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 20s are. 2 into 20 gives us 40. 40 by 100, that is 40%. Okay. Similarly, this 55.55 multiplied by 100. Now it is multiplying, when the decimal gets multiplied by zeros, it shifts according to the number of zeros towards the right when it is multiplication and left when it is division. So here it is multiplication, that means shifting will be towards the right side. So how many zeros can you see? 1, 2. So shifting will be in two places. 1, 2. So it will become 55.0 upon 100, or you can say 55%. Okay. So on these two concepts, today we are going to do the try these, which is given in page 151. Let's do it. Children, we are going to do it in book. Convert the following to percents. It is 161, not 51, sorry. 161. Convert the following to percents. A 12 by 16. So you have to convert into percent. That means you have to multiply by 100%, or you can say multiply by 100 upon 100. So दोनों में से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो बेटा. 100 by 100. Okay. Now you can divide these two or these two as you wish. So both will go by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Now 4 and 100. 4 1s are and 4 25s are 100. 3 into 25 gives you how much? 75. 75 by 100. That means 75%. 3.5. Again, what to do? Either multiply by 100% or multiply by 100 upon 100, depending on your choice. Again, you see, there is multiplication, there is decimal. So shifting will be towards the right. How many places? 1, 2. So this is one place, this is second place. Now since nothing here is here in the second place, we can apply a 0. So what does your answer becomes? 350.0 upon 100, or you can write only 350% or 350.0% also, as you wish. This completes B. Now we go to C. 49 by 50. 49 by 50, we multiply by 100% or 100 by 100. 50 ones are 50, 52 is 100. 49 into 2 is 98 by 100, which gives us 98%. Then we go to D. D is 2 by 2. So 2 by 2, there only either you multiply by 100% or by 100 upon 100. So 2 ones are 2, 50s are 100. 2 into 50 gives you 100 upon 100, which gives you 100%. Then E, 0.05. 0.05. We multiply by 100% or multiply by 100 upon 100. Again you see there's decimal and zeros. So there will be shifting which side? Right side, because there is multiplication. So how many place shifting? 1, 2. 1, 2. So answer will be these two zeros here, they have no value. So if you write or you don't write, it makes no sense. 5.0 upon 100 or only 5%, or you can say 5.0%. This completes question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. There are 32 students, out of which 8 are absent. 8 out of 32 are absent. What percent of students are absent? That means you have to find the percentage of it. That means you multiply by 100 upon 100. So 8 ones are 8 fours are 4 ones are 4 25s are, that is 25 upon 100, which gives you 25%. Is my phone working? Yes. Second, there are 25 radios. 16 of them are out of order. 16 out of 25 or 25 radios, जिसमें से 16 खराब हो गए. 16 are out of order. What percentage is out of order? So let's again have to find the percentage of this. 16 fours gives you 64. 64 by 100 gives you 64%. Okay. Upon 100, that means per 100. Per 100 means percent. It is very hot today, though it rains so much. Then third one. A shop has 500 items, out of which 5 are defective. 5 out of 500 are defective. What percent are defective? That means you have to find the percentage of it. So into 100% or 100 upon 100, whatever you want to write. So 5 ones are 500s are 500, 100 ones are 100 ones are. Everywhere there is 1. So 1 by 100, that is 1%. Then fourth one, there are 120 voters, out of which 90 voted yes. 90 out of 120 voted yes. What percent voted yes? Again you have to find the percent. So one question we are doing like this. Okay, अभी तक ऐसे कर रहे थे, अभी एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी करके देख लो. ठीक है, कि अगर ऐसा आपको करने का मन करे, if you want to do like this, you may not get confused. Okay. Two 50s are 100, two 60s are. Okay. Once again, two 25 50 2 30s are. Okay, now 31 90